We start with hesitation change. Man's steps. Man starts with right foot forward, to side, close feet, lower, left foot back, and draw right heel. It's called heel pull. Again, heel pull, then to side and close without weight. Lady steps. Lady starts with left foot, back, to side, close, lower, forward with right foot between man's feet, again, forward, and to side and close without weight. Notice that we don't rise in second bar. Notice that we can change second bar our sway. So we go to side and man sways to left, lady to right, and then we straighten bodies. Again. So we go first part, 1, 2, 3, then we lower and we sway and lady turns head to right and then again to left. Now we're teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at reverse turn and then whisk. Man will start with left foot, forward, to side, close, lower, then back, to side, close, lower, and now we will do whisk, forward, to side, and now cross behind in whisk position and then lower. But we will do slightly different version of whisk. We will turn to left. So forward, to side, and now we cross behind in whisk position and lower. So we did quarter turn to left. Lady steps. Lady starts with right foot, back, to side, close, lower, forward, to side, close, lower, and now whisk back, to side, and cross behind in whisk position. Now this was whisk without turn. Now we will turn quarter turn to left, back, to side, and cross behind in whisk position and then lower. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And from opposite direction. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at hover Corte from promenade position, then outside change from promenade position, and chasse from promenade position. Man steps. Man starts with right foot forward in promenade, then to side, then slowly rise, continue rise, transfer weight to right foot, then back in CBMP, then back on toe, and to side in promenade position. Forward in promenade position, to side, close, and to side and slightly forward. Lady starts with left foot forward in promenade, then to side, then rise, brush, to side and slightly forward, forward outside partner, then forward on toe, and to side in promenade position, forward in promenade position, to side, close, and to side and slightly back. And now with teaching count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Let's look again. We start from whisk position. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. And now let's look at whole routine in slow motion. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. And now whole routine to music. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.